The YouTube channel Game is on, and I'm your host CGR, back with another episode. The episode number is 14. The episode number 14, Finding the Right Picture. Every day I believe more and more. The more I do it, the more I believe that there are pictures exist that search engines do not index. The search engine do not index. You have to find their related images, because the related images I have often found great pictures that are perfect for the topic, often on the related images part. So search on Google, search on Bing. Bing is really good for faces especially. And search on Yandex, Russian browser. And then search, I also use many times. I also use the DuckDuckGo. These four I use, and often I search on all of them, and often I find very different pictures of different things on all of them. Sometimes they also index videos and other thumbnails that is very good, and so you can also find inspiration on those, because maybe on the blog something, the real news, something worked. So that's really good. Finding the right pictures. The picture exists that you want to find most of the time than not. If that scenario can happen, it probably has happened, and you can find the picture. You can find the picture if you try hard enough, if you give it enough time, if you keep searching, if you keep changing the keywords, if you keep try all the search engines, all the browsers. Changing browser doesn't help, but trying other search engines, that helps a lot. The picture that you're trying to find does exist. You just have to, the answers you're trying to find do exist. You just have to find them. You may not be competent enough to find them. That doesn't mean that they do not exist. Someone found it. Like, revolving around the topic is also really important. So find the pictures. You haven't got to the right keywords. I would say keep scrolling. Like, this is the only time I'm gonna say keep scrolling. The pictures exist. You have to find them. Take the source. Also, try to find related pictures, and then this is another pro tip. You will often find pictures that are really good, but not exactly good. And often Google Lens will even not give you enough related images and source of that image. So you have to, I often try the Bing lens. It's also really good. The Yandex lens is also very good. Those work wonders. DuckDuckGo doesn't have its own lens as of now, so I'm not able to try that, but yeah, the Bing lens is really good. I often find pictures that I'm not generally able to find on Google, and I get them on Bing, and often the Yandex. Especially the thing with Yandex, the Russian browser, is that it often has the quality of picture much higher than Google. Also, it doesn't ban pictures like Google does. Google bans many pictures, especially explicit content, and too violent content is often banned by Google, which is kind of a good thing. But if you do require to find those kind of pictures, try all the browsers, like try all the search engines. I often find things that will help me with finding pictures. Today we have the AI to generate the pictures. So if you are not able to find the exact pictures, or if someone has already used the picture for, say, first of all, you can use the picture again. You just have to keep it to your own branding. Like, I have often used pictures that have already been used, and people have used the pictures I have produced on the Midjourney, or using Firefly. So yeah, use pictures. If you do not find things, if you feel you have done enough, then, and if there is something close, of course we have AI and you can run pictures in Midjourney together. Like, there is a cool hack pro tip: put two similar pictures on Midjourney and just run them together. The quality will be the same almost, and they will produce often same good results. Like, run it and relax your hashtag /relax the Midjourney, and then put it on 10 times. That often gives very good results. And if you want to produce the exact same images, flip one image and add both to the Midjourney and run them together with Style Raw and Stylize Zero. That often also gives very similar images that are of almost same quality and same resolution, etc. So that is very, very good pro tip. Okay, then that was Midjourney. Firefly is so good. Like, I cannot emphasize more. Firefly is the faces in the Firefly are often not good, but yeah, the things I've seen people do with Firefly is just mind-boggling. I hope I will be able to do that sometime in the future. I'm trying to learn that. Yeah. So yeah, find the pictures and produce the pictures. That was episode number. That was episode number 14. The YouTube thumbnail game brought to you by CGI Designs. Thank you.